From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Today is going to be another beautiful day out there. Mostly sunny skies. Could have some light haze up in the skies just like with yesterday. We're not expecting any significant reductions to air quality. Could have a thunderstorm or two for the Cascades or Blues, but that is a very low-end chance. Highs going to be noticeably warmer as opposed to yesterday. Will be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal, 80s and 90s for lower elevations, and 70s and 80s even in the mountains. Winds today, it's going to be a little bit breezy across the map. 11 a.m. this morning to 5 in the morning on Wednesday. The peak is going to be around 11 p.m. for tonight, so keep that in mind. Now, after 11 p.m., the wind's going to be a little bit calmer. For tonight, partly cloudy skies. Could have a leftover shower in the Cascades, but other than that, we're going to be dry. And overnight lows mild once again, 50s and 60s for lower elevations, 40s and 50s up in the mountains. Okay, winds will come back for tomorrow. This time a very broad time frame, 5 in the morning to 5 in the morning on Thursday. The peak's going to be around 5 p.m. on Wednesday, so around the peak of daytime heating. This time the wind's a little bit stronger. We would classify it as windy for places like Hermiston, Heppner, Lexington, and especially in the Kittitas Valley where peak gusts could be around 40 miles per hour. Now, those winds associated with a very weak cold front that's going to cool us off in a Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty seasonal stuff through Saturday, but we heat it up in a Sunday, and especially by Monday could be up into the triple digits in the Tri-Cities. This is still 6-7 days out, so we'll have some time to adjust this, but early indications are that we could be dealing with a second heat wave this summer. Okay, precip chances is going to be very limited over the next 7 days. We'll have little shower chances primarily up in the Cascades and Blues, but we don't even have that for Saturday and beyond. That means that in addition to the heat means our vegetation is going to become very dry, and of course we'll keep very close tabs on that, especially as we head into next week as that looms pretty large for fire season. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities, 80s and 90s through Sunday, but triple digits will be a possibility to start next week. In Yakima, a breezy stretch of weather through Friday, then calmer winds with hotter highs Saturday through Monday. In Ellensburg, windy Wednesday through Friday, so of course we'll watch for the fire start potential, but then we crank up the heat as highs will end up in the mid-90s by Monday. In Hermiston, windy tomorrow, some lingering breezes for Thursday and Friday, then eyeballing that chance for triple digits next Monday. Then for Walla Walla, a bit breezy Wednesday through Friday, calmer but hotter for the weekend and the beginning of next week.